So the question is, how on earth do you get a 0 point? Well, you simply allocate one, because every point on the circle is just a point. Let's take this as the origin. My elbow will be the origin, the middle. Go out to the right, and this we will call 1. As the length of my arm, we define as 1. Now this position here will be the 0 angle. And what we define from here is the orientation. You can go up, and that's what we're going to call the positive direction. You can go down, and that's what we're going to call the negative direction. Why? Just because. That's how we made it up. It could be the other way around. So you know that plus 90 degrees is going to be up here. Then you also know that minus 90 degrees is going to be down there. But if you go plus 270 degrees, you still end up down there. And now you know a lot about circles and a lot about triangles. But where is the connection? Let's do the same thing. Let's imagine that this goes around. That's in a circle. But as you see, if I move this up here, there's a third side, there's a triangle. So if this will be, this is the R, the radius. This is the bottom, and you have this part, then you have a triangle. The upright part, its length is going to be sine. Sine theta, sine of the angle. You know that because that's the definition in the triangle. The length of this is going to be the cosine of the angle. Why? Because that's the definition in the triangle. But if you imagine this going around, you see that the triangle is changing all the time. And what this allows you to do is define sine and cosine in the circle. The upright part is parallel to the y-axis, so the length of the projection of the radius to the y-axis is going to be called sine, and the length of the projection to the x-axis will be cosine. And these things will complement each other. That is, sine squared plus cosine squared will be 1, as we define the radius to be 1. And now you've got it. You have the definition of all these triangle things in circle terms. We've generalized it, and from now on we're using it on the circle. But don't be afraid. Here I'll show you an image that will make you understand it.